Welcome to Top Trading Edge, folks. Today, Thursday, today market sell-off right at the end. And how did we play that? You can also learn that quick money, 300% profit in 1 hour, right here, right in front of your eyes. This is how it's been recorded. The YouTube right here. You can go to, folks. You can go to Top Trading Edge on YouTube. Top Trading Edge. Click on live. Is recorded 7 hours live stream, live trading desk right here. And also you can join this community. Every day I go live, share my screens, trading desk. Okay, so how did we play? Right here, let me show you. So basically this trade I took, and you can see bunch of trade I took, and how did I play here? 300% profit in 1 hour right here.
$11.90. I mean 4130.
So 4130 XPX put I purchased $11.90. I paid for the premium. That's my announcement at the SPX right here. SPY is, we are about to test the VWAP again. We tested one time, second retest. That's my announcement. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little fast forward and you watch.
Go lower. The VWAP, you watch VWAP. Yeah, they want to go lower. I'm gonna hold it. They're gonna push the VWAP. You watch VWAP gonna be broken today. VWAP will be broken.
That's the announcement. I said VWAP they're gonna break the VWAP and we're gonna go lower. Okay. Still holding my trade.
There, I will be holding. Wow, look at that. 16. $19 right there. That's the day. This is right there. 80%, 90% profit.
About to book the profit. I keep taking profit. I traded 3-4 times, folks. So this is just the one you're gonna see.
Wow, man. I'm leaving the party too early, Josh.
$20 out. $20 took the profit. Woohoo! Man, I'm telling you. Put up.
That's the exit.
Market gives opportunity. You just need to identify, folks. I'm telling you, man. You just need to wait for it. 70% profit book, folks. Okay. Anybody traded here, man? Look at the market. Decide whatever they want. Still is $20. Hell with the target. Swing, man, will lose. Let's see now. Google is going. Amazon is going. Anybody traded or Tesla, man? Okay.
I'm gonna enter again.
He going super duper down. Disney, AMD print. Nah. 4105 put $3.60.
So I'm in 4150 $3.60 premium pair. I'm in the trade. That's what the announcement is.
$4.70. That's a support broke. Bye, folks. I'm telling you, today is the day. Okay.
That's my
Look at
announcement.
the game. Yeah.
With that apple.
You got it. Yeah. Man, look at the SPY going crazy. Yeah, today is the day. Look at TXF4. Bounce coming. And then, what app?
They're spending time there.
Like,
Compression going on. So I'm just gonna fast forward. We don't want to waste the video. Going now.
And they want to keep going?
Told you that 5 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, I said that look like. Look at the cloud over here. When I set up any time or normally once in a 2 month, I announced that class is important, man. Tape reading, the more you take a tape reading, at least people should take 5 tape reading class. Because market has a different model. You need to look at that, folks, right here. Today is like you can use your two hands. Otherwise, you have right now enjoying. To you, person to person, how you understand?
See what I'm saying?
Right now enjoying. I can define. I cannot give financial advice. You have to do your own homework, right? Is fighting for it. Stay there if you part of
Sure.
NVIDIA. Look at that. Everybody, yeah, market is better. Do you know, man, how much it is right? So 80% profit.
Still holding. 80% profit, but still holding. Look at the
Home
test.
run.
Home run
Run.
means 100% profit. Home run means 100%.
Look at that.
Got Tesla too here too. But I was in the SPX right here.
I'm sure people are like right now 115% profit I took. Right here is the next support. Right here, the next support. Folks, market wants to go.
It's a profit 80%.
115% I booked the
I
profit
swear,
on
man,
that one.
This is insanity, man. Market gives opportunity. I announce all this. Today is like a day, man. Today is the day, folks. You know.
Anyway, so folks, just want to make it cut it short. So if you like this video, folks, please join the Top Trading Edge community. Every day I'm live. I share my screens, and right here is live stream. So if you like, join the Top Trading Edge morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. every day, folks. Okay, this is how I trade every day. It's free. Remember, these are $10,000 value subscriptions. You don't have to pay anywhere, folks. Just join community, and it's a free of charge. All right. So sharing is caring. Thank you. See you tomorrow.